Love sharing your opinions? Turns out you can actually get paid for it. Today, we're diving into 5 awesome ways to make money writing reviews. Let's get started. Step 1. Review platforms. First up, review platforms. Websites like G2, Crowd, and Trustpilot pay you for sharing your thoughts on software, products, or services. It's easy. You use the product, write an honest review, and get rewarded. It's like getting paid to share your experience. Step 2. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Love writing? Start a blog. Share your passion for products and include affiliate links. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to build a following and make money. Step 3. Freelance writing. Freelancing is another fantastic option. Many businesses need product reviews. You can offer your writing services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Build a strong portfolio, and you can charge a good rate for your reviews. Step 4. Social media influencer. If you've got a strong social media following, you can become an influencer. Brands will pay you to review their products. The bigger your audience, the more you can earn. It's all about building relationships and creating authentic content. Step 5. Review apps. Want to earn extra cash on the go? There are review apps like Swagbucks and Vindale Research that pay you for sharing your opinions on various products and services. It's a simple way to make a little extra money. So there you have it. 5 awesome ways to get paid to write reviews. Remember, honesty is key. Share your genuine opinions and the money will follow. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.